Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Cloudera Quickstart Virtual Machine on your Windows. The Cloudera Quickstart Virtual Machine is a single node cluster. Now, we might ask, why would I need a single node cluster? For self-learning purposes and for testing. Now, this video assumes you already have some sort of virtual machine installed. If you don't, you can check out my other video on how to install one. So we're in cloudera.com, downloads, quick start. Since I'm installing this on VMware Workstation Player, I'm going to go ahead and select VMware and click Get It Now. I already read this, so I know what it says. I'm just going to go ahead and submit. After it's done, go ahead and open it. It's going to be in a zip file, so you will actually need to unzip it before you can use it. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy this folder inside the zip file and paste it somewhere else. Now we need to open up VMware Workstation Player and open the file inside the folder that we just pasted. Now we need to make some adjustments, so right click on the file, settings, RAM, let's give it about 8 gig. If any less, Cloudera will complain. Processors, let's do about 4. Everything else looks good. And go ahead and play. This can take a couple minutes, usually about 5 or 6. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and launch Cloudera Express. This is something to pay attention to: the link and the username and password, which is just Cloudera. Might want to bookmark this link as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Cloudera as a username and Cloudera as a password. And we're in. So now I'm seeing that all the services are stopped and we need to go ahead and start the cluster. Click on the drop down button and click start. Now I see that all services have been started, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit close, and I can see in my cluster it's all green. Everything is started, and that's what we want. And that's all there is to it. Thanks everyone for watching the video.